So many people. Hi, my name is Jennifer Schonekess, and I'm the Upgrade Manager here at FIELDBOSS. In this video, I'm going to talk to you about how you can get your elevator maintenance contracts under control. Our first insight is around efficient scheduling and billing. So as elevator contractors, you know that you have hundreds of devices that you have to perform maintenance on every month. And keeping on top of scheduling those and in getting invoices out the door on time can be very challenging. To fix this, you need a solution that can keep track of all of your maintenance contracts, all of the devices, and when they need to be scheduled and invoiced. I can show you how we do this in FIELDBOSS. Here in FIELDBOSS, we have a view of every different device that needs to be scheduled for this month. So a predetermined list by simply selecting all of the records in that list and running a quick flow. All of your service activities are created and sent out to the technicians in the field. And for your billing, we also have specific views for what's due for maintenance contracts this month. And it's the same process, simply checking off all of the records and running that flow. Our second insight is around making sure all on-site maintenance tasks are completed. One of the biggest challenges for elevator contractors is that they do not have the visibility of all the tasks that are being completed out in the field by their maintenance technicians. So what most contractors need is a way to keep track of all of those tasks, but also communicate to their technicians what tasks need to be completed. So for example, with MCP checklists and category testing, those can all be accessed right from the Resco mobile app. So let me show you how our mobile app can help. So here you can see a view of a service activity on our mobile app. It includes lots of different details about the site location, but also mobile inspections. So from here, technicians can go in and complete their MCP checklists. All the information about the device that they're working on is here and readily accessible. From the drop-down list, they can choose the specific inspection that they have to complete at this time. Once they're ready, it's a simple click and all the tasks that need to be completed will show. For our third insight, we're going to talk about how you can determine how well your maintenance contracts are performing. Typically, elevator contractors have to go through lengthy reporting processes to get their profitability and margins from each individual maintenance contract. With FIELDBOSS, at the touch of a button, you're able to view a report that will show you the cost breakdown and your margins of all of your maintenance contracts in one easy spot. Using Microsoft Power BI, we're able to create multiple financial reports within the FIELDBOSS systems. So here you're seeing our FIELDBOSS maintenance contract margin report. The first section here is just a quick dashboard that will show you all of your billing for the current month, last month, and your top 10 performers. Here on the Details tab, you can see each maintenance contract broken out year over year of total costs, invoices, and your margin to better determine how your maintenance contracts are performing. So those are the three insights we have on gaining control of your maintenance contracts with FIELDBOSS. If you have any more questions, everyone here at FIELDBOSS would be happy to answer them for you, so please reach out.